Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning Tutorial channel for you. In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to turn on auto suggestion when typing on physical keyboard in Windows 11 computer. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To turn on auto suggestion when typing in Windows 11 computer, right click on Start menu, click on Settings. In left pane, click on Time and Language. Here you will find an option Typing. Click on Typing, and here the first option is Show text suggestions when typing on the physical keyboard. Now it's turned off. Just click here to turn it on. Now I'm going to test. Open a text editor or word processor. I'm typing here LE. It suggests me LE, electronic, and else. I'm selecting the electronic, and then type is not the best and then way to get a good time. This is the way to use auto suggestion in Windows 11 when typing. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.